Oh, Mr. Yamada, you're about to cry. Huh? Don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry. Okay. Okay, you can. Pwede nyo nang dalhin siguro. Oh. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Bye, sir.
Mr. Yamada is going back to Japan office this time and is with us for more than 2 months. One crew evicted.
Bye, kita ba?
Kita. Ramburat ka.
Bye, Ramburat. Bye, Ramburat. Thank you, Captain.
Maybe in Houston. Maybe in Houston office. Parang iiyak siya, tingnan mo yung mata niya namumula. Ha. Ayan na guys, bababa na si Mr. Yamada from technical department. He's been with us for more than 2 months. Tali mo na ulit, recharge sa dulo para be careful. Yan po naman ang the worst. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Thank you for your luggage.
Thank you, sir.
Dropping off. Oh. One more. Nandun na ba silang dalawa? Yung dalawang nano? Ay, ito na. Ibaba mo na isa.
Hey, Mada. How about your document? Document. Good. Ready?
It's already in your luggage, in your backpack.
Documents, passports. Hey, Mada.
Nasa backpack niya siguro. Yes.
Eh, baka nasa agent. Sa agent lang. Sa agent siguro.
Nasa agent.
Tapos nasa airport na wala. Walang papilis.
Wala yung passport niya, no? Balik.
Tapos nakalis na tayo.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Can you ask him if he has all these documents?
His documents. If he brings all these documents. No more luggage. Just ask the Japanese guide if he has his documents with him.
You have your documents? Good.
Your passport. Your passport is already there.
Yeah, passport and tourist
Yes.
and flight ticket.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Take care always, sir. Thank you, sir. Bon voyage. Bon voyage.
Magtago na siya. na siya.